What if I told you that there's a way you can turn your viral LinkedIn post into your customers without running any ads or without any manual scraping? Stay with me till the end and I'll show you how this is possible with this one AI agent. You have probably noticed a pattern on LinkedIn very recently where most people are posting something like comment XYZ and I'll send you this thing, or drop this thing to get this thing, right? If you think about it, these are not very random posts. These are lead magnet posts, and here's the part most people completely miss. Every comment on those posts is a warm lead, because here these people are trying to publicly signal their interest in a specific topic. Now it depends on if they fit your ICP, if they don't fit your ICP, but most of the time they would. Here you can do two things, right? The first thing is you can steal your competitor's demand, or you can create your own viral loops from scratch. Now, if you have no idea about what lead magnets are, how they go viral, how to create lead magnets that go viral, I will suggest that check the description. I have created an entire strategy specifically in this topic so that you can go through it and then you come and watch this video. Okay, now for people who know about lead magnets, who know how these things work, you guys stay with me. I'm gonna show you how we are doing it and how you can too. Now, the problem, if you see us, we usually post quite a lot of lead magnets. You can think at least 3 to 4 lead magnets on a monthly basis. The issue with these lead magnets is that some of the comments would have 100 or 200, but most of the times if the lead magnets are actually going viral, you will see the comments are surpassing even 1,000. You're getting like 2,000 comments, 3,000 comments, which is crazy. Like, how will you guys figure out who is relevant, who fits your ICP, who is just some random person who is just trying to get some freebie, right? We cannot really know. Now here we used to waste hours cleaning up the comments, filtering the leads, enriching the profiles, and then building smart lead campaigns by hand. That's why we built this agent. This agent does these 3 things automatically, so you won't have to scrape, then enrich, then do anything. What it does is it scrapes every comments, it identifies your exact ICP using AI filters, then it pushes the clean, enriched emails straight to the smart lead campaign. No manual sorting, no CSV cleanup needed, no even repetitive work. Because we have literally built this for you guys. We have N18 as the backend and Lovable as the front end. It's not even like, let's say if you guys don't know anything about agent N18, you can still use it because we have literally built it as a SaaS product. So all you have to do is just put some link and that's it. Now I'm gonna show you how this thing works, and you can literally use this agent for your profile. You can use it for any creator's profile, your competitor, anyone on LinkedIn. Alright, now let me show you how the system works and how you can set this up for yourself. So the very first thing you need to do is to go through this link. You will find it in the description below. Create an account. Now since I already have an account, so I'm just gonna sign up. This is my team member's account. Now I have done a lot of testing just very recently before creating the video, so you may see all these, but when you sign up you will see an empty dashboard. What you need to do is just go to the top and click on settings. Now this is a very important part because you need to set up 3 API keys for the entire workflow to run very smoothly. The first thing that you need is a Smart Lead API key. To get it, go to Smart Lead, click on your profile picture, open settings, and you will see an API key there. Just copy it and paste it here. Now once that is done, the next thing you need to configure your Apify API key. Just go to the Apify console, log into your account and create a new one. Then go to settings and open the API, and integration section, you'll find your API key there. Simply copy paste it here. The next thing you'll be needing is the ICP's API key. Go to icps.com, sign in, then navigate to the API section and copy your key from there. Paste it here as well. After you have added all the keys, just click on Save API Keys. Once that is done, it's time to create a new campaign. This is not a Smart Lead email campaign. This is a campaign where you'll be enriching, let's give it a name, maybe 109. You'll receive the Google Sheet via email. You can also access it directly from the dashboard. I'll show you everything on how that works. So after you add the campaign name, click on next step. Now you need to paste the URL of the LinkedIn post you want to scrape comments from. I have this post from CEO of La Growth Machine, so I'll just copy that, paste the LinkedIn post here, and specify how many comments you want to scrape. You can scrape all comments if you want, but for this video let's go ahead with maybe 20. Next is the Smart Lead campaign name. This campaign name will reflect in your Smart Lead account, so I recommend using the same name you used earlier for consistency. Once you've added all that, click on next step. This will launch your campaign. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry, just refresh the page and it will appear. Right now you'll see it showing as processing. The time it takes depends on the number of comments you're scraping. If you're scraping a lot, like let's say about 500 plus, it will take a little longer, which can be around let's say 10, 20, 30 minutes. It totally depends person to person. Now let me show you what it looks like once it's completed. When it's done, you'll see the status change from processing to completed. Just click on view spreadsheet. You'll find the same button on your screen. Inside the spreadsheet, you'll see all the leads, everyone who commented on your post along with their emails and other details. You'll also notice a Smart Lead campaign with the name that has been created automatically. If I go to run Smart Lead, you can see test 109 here, and all the leads will be added directly. It doesn't just create the campaign, it also pushes all verified leads directly into it. You don't have to manually import anything. All you need to do is just work on your sequences, sender accounts, scheduling options, and then click on launch. That's the only manual work required. Everything else is fully automated. One more thing, guys, once the process is completed, you'll receive an email saying, yay, your LinkedIn comment scrape data is here. Now this email, you can also find it sometimes in your spam folder, so make sure you check your spam in case you don't get it in your inbox. It will have a Google Sheet link with this. When you open it, you'll see the same data inside, the same leads that appear in your dashboard spreadsheet. You can download the sheet from here as well, but it will always arrive in your email too. That's the entire workflow and how it works. Let me know how will you guys use this agent in the comments below, and let me also know that if you want us to create more such videos, right? So yeah guys, I hope you like this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video.